Hello and welcome to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are MNREGA 100-day labour scheme to be implemented in both urban and rural areas. Meghalaya Embry Workers Union demand termination of GVK Embry in the state. Meghalaya youngsters to participate in the 48 Junior National Aquatic Championship 2022. And Senra Jowai releases the museum on wheel as part of Bed and Clump celebration. And now the news in detail. On the 11th of July 2022, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed the public that the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act will be implementing the 100 days labour in all areas, urban and rural as well. Shri Conrad K. Sangma informed this in the presence of the local MLA of the area, Hamid Sondoling, Shri Taibor Pathau, Maulai MDC, in a meeting held at State Convention Hall.
I'm very happy and I must say I'm satisfied to see today that a very important issue which I have been communicating and discussing with all of you. So many of you have met me personally, many local leaders have met me personally, demanding that this should be clarified and the census towns should get the MGNREGA. It is with a great sense of satisfaction today that I stand here that Government of India has agreed to give the census towns the MGNREGA benefit and the scheme.
The Meghalaya Embry Workers Union held a meeting on 12th of July 2022 where the members present unanimously decided to give the Government of Meghalaya 72 hours in which to terminate the tie-up with GVK and Embry in the state. Speaking to the media fraternity, Ms. Microlinas Emle, President of the Union, said that the service rendered by the 108 under the GVK continues to degrade day by day, which hampers the functioning of the Embry to a great extent, preventing patients from receiving proper care and treatment at the right time. Till date, the government continues a stony silence on this matter, she remarked.
Di nakalang jungi ni aipor ka sarkar mentas namal katne hatu bangi fight hakalas ni aipor sarkar artayo ti kani ka jingle jungi ka menta karai ka bangi sim kum ka house kum ka union hi hadin jong ka general meeting ni sim ka rai ba kamde shu ka jing bakala ka jongi ni aipor ka sarkar ba tam nyo ku ar kanta na khibet min met ni kanya kata nyo ku ar kanta na din ar biji shibet min met hadin light ni la ka sarkar kam khot yangi la ni kam le ya ka ka badon kam di nakalang jungi ngim bansi ngin hablet da ka strong agitation kata ba ngin stop ni ka service ka jongi.
On the 11th of July 2022, the Meghalaya Swimming Association conducted a selection test for selecting youngsters of 17 years of age and below to participate in the 48th Junior National Aquatic Championship 2022 to be organized by the Swimming Federation of India in Odisha from 6th to 20th July 2022.
One of the largest contingents. Minum state in the hair and the state in the red. In the northeast, Tripura, Manipur, Assam, but the Meghalaya, southeast states.
So he has been a great instructor for me. He's been very friendly. So I never had a passion for swimming until my dad. He introduced me to swimming, told me to try it out if I liked it. So when I tried it out, I started liking it, having fun. And then I introduced it to my friends and all of us, we started to swim. So now I want to represent the state and win a medal for Meghalaya. Thank you.
The Arts and Culture Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with the Senra Jowai, inaugurated and released the Museum on Wheel at Yau Musiang on the second day of the Bed and Clump celebration. The wheel depicts aspects of the 50-year journey of Meghalaya and the contributions made by the freedom fighters of the state. The Bed and Clump rituals began on the early hours of 11th July with sacrificial rites at Atnar, followed by the participation of devotees in the ritual to ward off diseases and illness. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.